continue it. Now turn left.
Left.
Yeah, turn left. Okay, just observe. Then try the not so left. Give way, give way. That's it. Give way, give way. On the timing. Now go back, go back. Maintain the lane, maintain the lane. Now I want you to go straight. Brake, not sudden brake. Just an easy brake, easy, easy. That's it. Just go. It's a free road. Go, go, go. That's it. There's a police over there, so just be careful not to bump them. Okay. See? Now you continue the road. It's a bit smaller and a lot of people over here. And you see the tricycle and the motor. Just brake, 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 brake. That's great. That's great. Then okay, just go over there and go over there. Okay, okay, okay. Try to use the brake, okay? I can I can teach you all because you're controlling the car. I mean the Pajero. Okay. Try to continue driving. Try to continue driving. I want you to continue the road. Just follow the road, the snake road. Okay. If you want to brake, if you feel to brake, just brake. Okay. That's great. That's great. Give space, and go push the gasoline again. Maintain the gas. That's right. Great. You're getting smarter in driving. I think they're giving you A+. Wow, that's a stick, that's a stick. Okay, that's a stick. Okay, just go, just go, just go. Just go. Right, correct. If you see the that's the farmer stick. They get mad if we go and trash them all. Okay? That's a farmer stick. They earn money, so just don't crash over those sticks. Okay, there's a track. Just maintain this road, this lane. This lane is yours. Now there's a motor. You can't just go continue it, so just brake. Easy brake, smooth brake. That's it. Thank you. Then go again. Continue the driving. Right there. Okay. Just continue it. Whew. Just follow the road. Follow the road. It's great. That's cool. Just maintain it. Okay. Great.